was on SL yesterday, as in sakit talaga ng ulo ko, be. But now we're back to work because I need to. Ugh. I'm just catching up with my emails. I have hundreds of emails, pero not all kasi are recent or kailangan kong sagutin. Some of those are just automatic replies, mga announcements, ganyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pa lang yung nabubuksan ko. Pero sumasakit na ulit yung ulo ko. As in, kahapon here, now, hanggang dito hina-high blood na ata ako, be. Parang magkakasakit ako ulit. But anyways, hello, Ate Patty. She asked, is it nice daw ba? So, she commented sa isang current read ko na video. And my current read is Prison Healer by Lynette Noni. And as you know, no, actually you don't know. Currently, I am reading 2 books. I have The Prison Healer and I have the physical book, yung If He Had Been With Me. So yun, iniwan ko muna, naka-hold siya. Nasa chapter 8 na ako. But I need to finish The Prison Healer first kasi this will be our book of the month. So we will have a discussion this weekend. It's really good. I was supposed to film a video about it also, yung playlist. It's a series. This is book 1. I was thinking na magbigay din ng reading updates, what are my thoughts about it. Pero nag 62% na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi tuloy-tuloy na lang siya, be. It's really interesting. So first 2 chapters as usual, medyo since world building pa lang, medyo dragging, medyo boring pa siya. But when it came to the ordeals na, yung mga trials na, ang dami kong comments. It's a fantasy read. May onting romance din. So may, ewan ko, kinilig ako one time. I am a really slow reader. At mas lalong slow ako kapag ka-fantasy. I've been reading this for days na, pero pa-pause. Pero when I was in 30, maybe 25% in, dire-diretso na, be. So yes, I think it's nice. It's interesting. It's a page turner. It's really, really good. I see why it's rated like more than 4 stars on Goodreads. Minsan kasi hindi ka na mag-agree sa ratings ng Goodreads, pero this one, I think, the shelf